3, 2, 1.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's, kung baguhan ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! Yeah, so, today's video ay I'm with my, napansin nyo? I'm with my baby girl. Look at her. She's so pretty, my Kulit. Huh? Say hi. Hi. Say hi to my channel. She is 1 year old and 6 months. So, she is so makulit, makulit na bata, Agay! Gigil ikaw? Gigil yarn? Gigil yarn? Gigil yarn? Hi guys. Oh god. Alright. Ouch. Agay. Bad. No ha. Bad. No. Look at them, oh. Hello. Keep quiet, be someone sleeping na. Hi guys. I'm doing with my mommy. Tiga pangag. Daddy. Yadang. Tiya tigidig. Ya, tigidig. Apa basa makuan ka pe. Dali. Maya gigidig. Ya, dikit. So, ayun guys. Thanks for watching. This is just a short clip. See you in my next vlog. Bye!
Pag mag-anak ko sa mga tita, batayan mo ha? Patutuyan mo ha? Tadlab?